Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will walk you through on how to change or add number to XNES account. If you find this useful, please subscribe and like the video. Open Google Chrome on your device. Search the XNES official website and log in to your account. Toggle on desktop view. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top left. Scroll down to Settings and tap on Security. Next to the two-factor authentication, tap on Change. Select New Number. Enter the new number and tap Next. A verification code will be sent. Copy and paste to complete the verification process. Now select the new number as the authentication number. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and see you next time.